To survive in the wild, you must master the art of hiding in plain sight. But some creatures take this to an unbelievable new level. Can you see it? This is the leaf-tailed gecko. Its body perfectly mimics the texture and color of tree bark and lichen. A living piece of the forest. The octopus is a master of dynamic camouflage. It doesn't just match its background, it analyzes and becomes it in seconds, changing both color and texture. But camouflage isn't just for hiding. The orchid mantis uses aggressive mimicry, disguising itself as a beautiful flower to lure its prey into a deadly trap. An endless evolutionary arms race between predator and prey, resulting in some of the most masterful illusions in the natural world.